Hey guys, what is up? So, as you see here, that's the original one. It supposedly went. Here's the first attempt. It seemed to work in and out. I don't know. And now, on my new one, I just put it in. Come over here and show you. I disconnected the battery. I'm dropping down so the voltages want it to be completely drained. So the computer, when it fires back up, it'll here's the second one. You see, where's that? Right there. I think it's it. Right there it is. So anyways, we got the next one in. We're gonna give that a try. Let the computer completely drain down to nothing, and then we'll plug it back in, and hopefully this fixes it. Cause I need my all-wheel drive for winter, man. We'll see what happens. Peace.